One of the reasons why beginners lose their money most of the time is because they're unable to understand what the higher time frame is saying. Now, I was actually a victim to this until I was able to understand that the market actually moves in an organized formula, which is actually seen in the higher time frame. Now, what I mean by that is that you're going to be seeing high probability win trades in the higher time frame. Now, the reason why folks go down to the lower time frame is because opportunities happen here and there, but most of the times they don't understand the big picture. Now, the big picture is what happens in the 4 hours. Okay, now 4 hours has the ability to give you what high probability win trades, but it is hard to come by. Okay, it is hard to come by. One of the takeaway I want you to take from this video is the market moves in the 4 hours, giving you opportunity. It goes down to the 1 hour, giving you another opportunities, down to the 15 minutes. And 15 minutes is the last zone that I like to trade. Okay, I'm going to be walking you down to a live concept on what I trade on gold. Okay, what I will be trading because the market has not gotten there. But before I show you what I'll be trading, I would like you to like this video and also comment in the section below and subscribe if this is the first time of watching this video. Okay, so that's the only way you can help us in our community here. Okay, now the first thing I want to do is understand the structure of the market. Now, all of this happening here is actually a retracement move. So selling here, you should be aware that the market is actually what on the retracement move. Okay, now where did it retrace to? Let's see. Where did it retrace to? Okay, I think this was it. Okay, so we've been seeing the break of structure. Okay, this is a break of structure. This is a break of structure here. So we have a break of structure which clearly indicates that the market is bullish. Clearly indicate that the market is bullish. Now we had another break of structure here. Okay, so gold has actually been bullish. Okay, so what we should be doing is stay with the market. Stay with the market as it's being bullish. Let's stick with it. Now let's look for an entry here. Now if I'm to take this trade, we'll be doing just one thing. Okay, we're going to be doing just one thing, that is go to a key level. Now what is a key level? A key level is actually an order block where I expect price to come to. Now if you look closely very well, you will see me this last candle here, this last bearish candle here, it took out money here. Okay, so this is going to be respected in the future. I look up to this last candle. I think I make mention of this. So this candle is where I'm looking up to. Now why? I'll tell you. We have something here, and that's a break of structure. Whenever I get a break of structure, I always stay relaxed because that's my first signal that tells me that the market is going to be giving me an opportunity. Okay, so you entering here is actually wrong. Okay, you're going to be getting stopped out. Okay, now remember our concept, guys. Remember our concept. Swing points, swing point, swing point. Whatever happens in between here is none of our business until the market comes here or comes here. Now in this case, it won't come here because of this order block. Okay, so what do? We have nothing to do with this. Now when this market came, it came here, but it did not break this high. It did not break this high, but it shows that since it did not respect here and retrace back down, it shows that we are actually still bearish, still bullish rather. So we should be expecting the market giving us what? This is sell, money is here, money is here, money is here. So we're expecting the price to come back to this last candle order block here for us to get involved. Now one of the secret takeaway that I do is I always like to take it up a little bit higher than the previous candle that was formed. Okay, now that's mostly for gold, but some other trades are like GU and other pairs, it actually comes down, okay, a little bit, but gold actually plays with support and resistance most of the time. Okay, so that's it. Now one of the things is, whenever folks makes an entry here, they're going to be saying, the market is gone, I can't get involved again. There's another secret that I like to show you. Whenever the market does something like this and I miss out, I look out for this last candle that make price to come back down. That's my entry. Now why is that my entry? I'll show you. When price went up, it came to the zone, okay, but hey, it's going to be coming back down. But in this scenario, it came back down. Remember the inefficiency stuff that I told you? This is it. It needs to be filled. So price came back here, touched it, went up. If you don't understand what I talk about inefficiency, I made a video about it. I'm going to be leaving it in the description below. Still the 4-hour trading strategy. I'm going to be piling this video up in one playlist, okay? In case you want to understand more on how to trade the 4 hours, this gives you a high probability to win in your trades. In the next video, I'm going to be recording how you're going to be trading from the 4 hours and look for opportunities in the 1 hour to trade, okay? Like me, mostly, if I want to do trade, I go to the daily. If I want to swing trade, I go to the 4 hours. But I'm a swing trader mostly, but I did trade when there's an opportunity in the 1 hour to trade off of it. But the least I go down to is the 15 minutes. Okay, this is just a sequence that I use. It's just a sequence that I use. Okay, now there's something I want to point out here in this video. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you a live concept. Okay, a live concept. I promised to do that, so I'm going to be showing you that. That means I'm not going to be showing you what I wanted to show you now, because I don't want this video to be long. Okay, this is it. Now this gold, right? So we're on 4 hours. What the market is doing is actually not clear enough here. It seems like there's no particular direction it's giving us. Now this is what someone said in the video that I watched some time ago. It said, whenever you are in a particular time frame and you don't understand what the market is doing, it simply means that you are on the wrong time frame. Now in this scenario, we don't understand what's going on here, so what we're going to be doing is going down to the 1 hour to see if we can get a clear picture of what the market is actually doing. That way we are able to stay profitable and know what we are doing. Okay, so here we are on the 1 hour time frame. So let's zoom closely. Like I said, in the previous 4 hours we did not understand what the price is doing, so but let's look at it in the 1 hour here. Now like I said, this is my trade. Okay, this is my trade. So I told you I'm going to be showing you a live trade, okay, on gold. Now what do we see here? This is a break of structure, okay. So this was the spike up that broke a structure. Now what has price been doing? Price has actually been going up. There's actually been going up, but without any particular retracement. Now what do I do? Remember the word, there is a formula that I use. I learned it from my mentor. I'm going to be teaching you guys, okay. It actually works a lot. Okay, it actually works a lot. It's called the left head, shoulder pattern. It's just like this, just like this, just like the head and shoulder pattern, but this time around it's kind of like a little bit different. Now my focus is here. The focus is here. Why? Look very well. You will see candles inefficiency. Like I said, they are not touching each other. Candles here are just there, they're not touching each other. So this is what I'm expecting price to do. I'm going to be leaving the continuation of this video. If you're really interested in this gold strategy, okay, just let me know so I can create another video for it. Focus on it. Thank you.